To lock apps on a Redmi 15, you will have to start by opening System Settings. Next, you have to scroll down over here and go into the Applications and select App Lock. Over here, click to turn it on. Now we will have to set a privacy password. Input it twice. Click Next. Over here you can add your Xiaomi account, so you will be able to reset this password if you forget. But I'm not gonna do this because it's super simple password. And now, as you can see, you can find some recommendations, but I'm gonna unselect them, and I also recommend you to do this. And over here, click to use App Lock. You can additionally turn on fingerprint. And as you can see now, we can click on every application. And right now, if I want to open this application, like it was with Google, I will have to input my password, or for example, I can use this fingerprint. There we go. And now I can open this application.